Tired of watching your crypto investments plummet unexpectedly? Let's learn how to set up a stop loss on Kraken Pro to protect your hard-earned capital. First, log into your Kraken Pro account. Make sure you're on the trade interface. You'll usually find this by clicking on the trade tab in the navigation bar, typically located at the top of your screen. Now, locate the order form. It's usually on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll enter all the details for your stop loss order. Next, click on the market order type. This will open a drop-down menu with different order options. Select stop loss from this menu. You might need to scroll down to find it. Now, you'll see a field labeled stop price. This is the crucial part. Enter the price at which you want your position to automatically close. This is your safety net. For example, if you bought Bitcoin at $30,000 and want to limit your loss to $29,000, you would enter $29,000 here. Enter the amount of the asset you want to sell in the amount field. This is the quantity of the cryptocurrency you want to sell. When the stop price is triggered, double check this to make sure it's correct. Finally, click the sell button to place your stop loss order. A confirmation window will appear. Review the details carefully and confirm the order. You can view your active stop loss orders in the open orders section. You can also modify or cancel it here if needed, and that's it. You've successfully set up a stop loss on Kraken Pro, helping you manage risk and protect your investments. Happy trading!